In this lesson, we'll discover how to predict the products and write balanced chemical equations, including the states, for complete and incomplete combustions. Also, we'll discuss learning target number 5. By the end of this lesson, you should be able to describe reactions as being endothermic and exothermic and explain what happens during these reactions at the molecular level. Remember that complete combustion reactions involve burning a hydrocarbon, or a compound containing mostly hydrogens and carbons, with oxygen to form water and carbon dioxide. You recognize complete combustions because they have a clean flame with very little smoke or soot. Also, the flame will be blue in color. Complete combustions occur when the hydrocarbon is burned in the presence of a lot of oxygen gas. Complete combustion reactions can occur with other substances other than hydrocarbons. For example, metals. If you burn a metal, you can form a stable oxide, for example, burning magnesium. Even though there's no CO2 or water here, this is still considered a complete combustion reaction because I'm taking an element and burning it and making a stable oxide. Incomplete combustions happen when you're burning a hydrocarbon, but you do not supply it with enough oxygen to perform a complete combustion. You recognize these by a yellow or orange flame that's often considered dirty, lots of smoke, and lots of soot made. Carbon dioxide and water is still produced, but on top of that, carbon monoxide and solid carbon, known as soot, is made as well. Here's an example of burning octane in an incomplete combustion. Incomplete combustions always produce those 4 products. Now there's more than one way to balance an incomplete combustion, and it depends on how much oxygen is fed into the flame. In this course, just balance it one of the possible ways. One of the easiest ways is to balance the carbons by adding a coefficient in front of the solid carbon. This makes balancing the oxygens easier. Incomplete combustions are very dangerous, and you need to be careful when anything is on fire in your home. Carbon monoxide, CO, is a poisonous, tasteless, odorless gas that's fatal to humans. If there's a buildup in your house, you basically feel tired and dizzy and want to go to sleep, and you'd never wake up. Every year, individuals and families die in carbon monoxide poisoning related events. This is why it's mandatory that you have a CO detector in your home. Watch the video on the effects of carbon monoxide linked on our website. And try out the practice questions in the textbook.